Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to create notes in Google Keep. So before we do the further tutorial, have you know about the Google Note or Google Keep? So Google Keep is one of Google product, and this application supports you to create notes on your phone that linked with your Google account, so that you can open those notes into every devices whenever you logged in with your Google account. So here I would like to show you first the symbols of Google Keep. So there will be this yellow color with the lamp symbols here. If you don't have this application, just go into the App Store and start to install these applications. And then to create the note, you just need to open this Google Clip, and after that you can just sign in with the account, the Google account that you want to use. And after that you can create the notes here just easily by click this plus button. And then you just need to type and prepare the titles. For example, here shopping list, and then you just need to go click this note to start adding the text for your notes. If you want to have the checklist symbol, go into this plus button right here and then go click this tick boxes, and then you just need to go click and start typing the items that you want to have for your shopping. Let's say shoes, and then just go click return to have another tick boxes, and then let's say makeup, and so on and so on. And whenever you're done, you just need to easily go click this to back, and automatically those notes will be saved into your Google account. So that's the way how to create the notes into Google Keep. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.